Okay, everybody, welcome back once again. It's Big Al. I got a insane challenge locking device. It's called Sinister by Washington State Picker, and I say insane challenge lock because it is. I gotta tell you, man, this thing has kicked my ass. It is part of the reasons because it is an ASA, what is it, ASA abloy lock, so they have awesome tolerances from the get-go. And to top it off, it's a challenge lock, so I'll tell you what, man, this thing is wicked. Good name for it too, Sinister. I'll tell you what, there's the bitting on the key. Whoops, there's the bitting on the key. You can tell by the tarnish, it looks like it's been in that lock for a while too. But pretty badass bitting. Does work. It's not going to rotate too much because the cam on the back, but you get the gist of it. I have picked it, but I have not picked it on camera yet, and I'll tell you what, not positive I'm going to be able to do it, but let's go for it. Down on top of the keyway, and I'm going to go counterclockwise because that's how I got it open, so I'm going to roll with what I know. Okay, I'll be using the gem, and I'll also be using either the high hook from the SS Devs or this high hook from Southord, because I've already found out that right back here, I think it's the third pin, getting to that sucker is what kept me out of this lock. Okay, yeah, I picked on it and couldn't figure out why I couldn't open it, and found out there was a pin right behind number 2 that I was not getting, and it was really rocking my world. See if we can get a false set going. Okay. There we go. Got a false set going. Counter rotation. See if we can get our false set back. Pin 1. Okay. See if we can get the false set back again. Okay. See if we can get something going here. Let's see if we need to get that that pin back here yet. I don't know. I'm not really feeling it this time. There goes that pin. Alright, make sure I got one. Lost the false set though. Okay, I think I got the false set back. Okay, got one. Okay, got the false set back again. Okay, now I think I need to get that sneaky pin. Let's find out. I don't know. Oh, lost it. Lost the false set. Okay. Get one again. Need 5. Okay, got 1 again. Okay, now we got a good false set going. See if we can keep it. Okay, now let's see if we can get that sneaky pin again. We might have it. I don't know. 1. Okay. There we go. Just like that. Bada boom, bada bang. Badass. Okay. I do not want to lose this. Because getting this open again may not happen. Let me get zoomed out. Let's keep this son of a bitch. I tell you what. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Get this down over here. Like so. Let's see where we at. Right there. So we're very much open. Like that. Fair enough. We got a key, so I'll lock it back up. Oh yeah, I am keeping that all freaking day long. Okay. Phillips screws on the back. Be on the camera good. Yep. Okay. Do not want to foul this up at this point. Alright, alright, alright. I'll tell you what, man. This was one hell of a lock. Like I said, these have super tolerances when they're stock. These disassembled, super great tolerances. And then you go and make a challenge lock out of it, and it's just, I mean, it was gnarly. Okay, let's see. Pay attention. Okay. Nervous now. Okay, rotate a little bit, I guess that way. Hopefully we can get a shim in there. I don't know, this is going to be one tight sucker, I bet, because of the tolerances. Yeah, this may not work. Whoa. Yeah, the tolerances are too great for the to get a shim in there, so we're going to have to hope for the best on this. Okay. Let's do it. Alright, we got it. No harm, no foul. Alright, 6 pinner all pinned up. Get that out of there. Awesome. Freaking awesome. 1 and a 2. Wow. I think that went that way. And 6. Okay, so get some eyes on here. Oh shit, that was freaking badass. Okay, so we got threading in 1, 3, and 6. Nice. Well played, sir. Well played. Get that. can see the threading in 1, 3, and 6 there. Badass. Badass. Okay. No shim, so let's get to it. Tweezers. Where'd I put them? Right there. Okay. Nervous. I'll tell you, man, this thing's been kicking my ass. I am not kidding. Alright, what do we got here? We got a... Oh, is that a 2-piece? Hang on here. Yep, we sure gonna do. We got a 2-piece here. I'm gonna put it how it came out, just like that. There we go. Yep, 2-piece pin. Looks like a steel spring. Number 2 barely cleared the shear line, but it's up. It's a little short pin there. And three is looks like a barbell. Man, talk about a spool. I'm wondering if that's 1 piece. Nope. That's 2 pieces, I think. Is it? Nope, it's 1 piece. My bad. 3, so spring. Yeah, I've got the shakes now. Pretty exciting. And another 2-piece. So that was on top. This is on bottom. Just like that. You know, this reminds me too, y'all. I've been sending some new challenge locks out lately. I got a bunch more going out Tuesday. And a lot of mine are going to have, or they do have pin-in pins. So please, when you're gutting them, use solid followers for one, and gut with caution. Those hollow followers, if you got a 2-piece pin, it's going to pop up and you're not going to know which way it was. I don't know, I guess it's a pet peeve of mine. I don't like hollow followers. They're useless to me. Alright. Enough whining. Nice reduced, that one's pretty badass too. Tell you what, they sure are pretty. That was, oh wait a minute, that was, yeah, 6. Yeah. Golly, come on, man. 6, and then we got, let's see. No mods in the Bible. I don't see anything, feel anything. Okay. Awesome. Let's put that like this. Can't really see it. Let's see. Key tag's kind of smeared up and ugly. The ink got smeared around, it looks like. Okay, here we go, man. Bring this sucker flat down so we can see the pins real nice. Let's take a peeky peek. Alright, so we've got key pins, standard in 1. We got a multi-serrated with the reduced top in number 2. Let's say multi-serrated in 3. This one here is kind of cool. I don't know if that would come into play because that's the way it was in there, but it's kind of spooled like the key pin is. And then a standard in 5 and a spool key pin in 6. And then drivers, we got this 2-piece. Got a serrated end on it here with a serrated sleeve. 2 is a little standard. 3 obviously a really nice spool. 4 another one of those, pretty much the same thing, a serrated end on this part here with a spooled sleeve instead of a serrated sleeve like here. Standard in 5, and then this cool serrated, I guess T-pin combobulation right here because it does reduce down. And then springs look all, well, they're not sticking, but they're silver. Alright, that's what we got from Washington State Picker. That was called Sinister. Thank you so much for pinning that up and sending it my way. It was one hell of a lock. Coming to a picker near you. Alright, Big Al signing out.